Guys, sit-stand desks. Do you really need one? Well, up until a few weeks ago, I would have said, I don't really know. But you know what? Ask me today, and I'll say, yes you do. And why? We'll find out in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, sit-stand desks over the last couple of years have taken us by storm. Now, given the fact that a lot of us have been working from home over the past couple of years, and a lot of us probably still continue to be working from home, so for this is an absolute game changer. Now, a couple of years ago, I probably knew 2 people that had one of these desks. Now, I probably know about 10 times more. So, for the past few weeks, I've been trying out the MadeSite S1 Pro. And I've got to say, I love it. Now, I've just got to say that MadeSite sent me this S1 Pro desk to review. But if you follow my channel, you will know that whether I buy something myself or whether I'm sent it, you're always going to get an honest review from me. Good, bad, or indifferent. Now guys, let's talk about assembly. Well, it's like everything flat packed. Once you get the packaging open, there's like 1,000 pieces and you immediately think to yourself, where the hell does all of this stuff actually go? But actually, this desk came in 2 boxes. It came one box with the stand and one box with the desktop. There was no damage, it was really well packaged, which is good. Now, all of the parts were clearly labelled, including all of the different screw types that you had, because trust me, there are a few different types of screw. It also said that it was like 40 minutes for 2 people to assemble, but you know what, I managed to probably do it in about an hour, and I did it on my own. So everything was pretty clear, and once you get going, it all seems pretty obvious. Now, with this desk, you get the electronic stand, which is obviously the bulk of it. You get the desktop, a little bracket to hold your headphones or maybe a bag or a jacket or something like that. You also get this kind of little tiny message board, which is quite nice, pretty handy, and a little drawer to just keep like pens and bits and pieces in. So, you know, it's really neat. Now, the controller box, which incidentally I felt could have been placed a little bit more out of the way, but you know what, that's no big deal. But it does allow you to plug in a USB cable, which is pretty handy for charging your phone or something like that. And it's also the crux of, you know, how this desk is actually controlled. And I think it's also monitoring things like making sure the desk is upright and, you know, it can go up and down okay without obstructions and things like that. So it's a clever little box of tricks. Now, once assembled, I felt that the desk was just a little bit smaller than I originally thought, but you know what, it's not a big deal. I didn't measure it, and you know what, it kind of fits really nicely where I'm going to be using it. So despite its size, it's, you know, pretty damn handy for me. Now, this is robust. I'm telling you, it's a pretty heavy unit. The legs are heavy, you know, it's got a nice weight to it. So once it's all assembled, it's not moving around anywhere. So that's quite nice, because some of these desks, you know, you put them all up and they're jiggling around all over the place, but not with the S1 Pro. So big thumbs up for that. Now, as I said, setting it up was really easy, and particularly setting up for the heights. You know, I didn't even have to read the instructions. You can manually adjust the height of this desk so that, you know, like a 6'3" person could stand and work at it quite happily. And I think it's from, they seem to measure it like from a 5 foot person to a 6'3" person, but anyway, it goes pretty high. You've got 4 different memories, which were pretty easy to deal with, and I think it can support like up to 80 kilograms, so that's pretty cool too. Now, why do we need a sit-stand desk? Well, I generally sit. I've got a Herman Miller chair, which I think is amazing, probably the most comfortable chair I've ever sat in. But sitting does make me lazy. And when I stand, it makes me feel like more alert. And you know what, let's face it, you know, the folks that are wearing, this isn't one of those, so I don't know why I'm tapping it, but the folks that are wearing like Apple Watches or Android watches or whatever smartwatch they might be wearing, these things are telling us to stand up regularly and for good reason. So there are health benefits and definitely concentration benefits. And also, if you've got any lower back problems, doctors used to tell people to lie down. However, they actually don't. Now they tell you to stand up as much as you can. And you know what? That has been proven to drastically decrease lower back pain. So is it worth it? Well, I think yes. I think flexibility of the desk, you can stand up, sit down. For me particularly, like I said, concentration, I want to stand up more. I also like to stand up and shoot product shots and things like that, so I've kind of got another little ulterior motive for using it. But definitely for health benefits, for keeping you more focused, and it really stops us slouching, because you know what, having terrible posture, right, is bad for you. So it's definitely worth it for those things. So guys, that pretty much wraps this one up. I'll put any links to the products and any discount codes in the description. If you have any comments or questions, please leave them in the comments section below. Until then guys, thanks ever so much for watching. Thanks to MadeSight for sending me this S1 Pro electronically adjustable desk to review. And guys, if you like the video, then give it a thumbs up. It does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and smash that bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens. Thanks for watching, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.